Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today I want to talk about merchandising. Yes, I have the most advanced merchandising app on the market, but it's not just the app. We also teach you and show your people how to be the most efficient and effective at their job. It's how you do one thing is how you do everything. So we start with how do you walk a lot? When you walk a lot, how do you walk it the most efficient and effective way possible? You want to cut out the wasted time. And also, do you identify the units that need to be shot? And is that fast and effective? And we show you all of that. And then in an example of an RV, when you shoot the RV, do you pre-walk the RV to make sure that there are no pieces of furniture out of place, no doors, drawers open, no screws laying on the floor, sawdust is cleaned up, swept up, the bed is made? Boy, oh boy, the bed is made. That's one when I'm talking to dealers across the country. That's really a pet peeve of theirs. And we go over the basics. It's just like Vince Lombardi when he taught the Green Bay Packers from the very beginning, day one. Gentlemen, this is a football. If you start at the basics and then work your way up, once you establish the basics, you're going to have a clean, crisp product. And that's what we're all about. It's all about in the training. So when we work with your team, when we leave, we know your team is ready to go and ready to crush it. Thanks again for your time. I'd love to talk to you more about this. Simply respond below or connect with me. Let's get in touch and let's talk about taking your dealership to the next level. Thanks again for your time.